Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming firmware and iOS compatibility so audio routing is reliable. This avoids dropouts. Next, open Translate or invoke Siri and set source and target languages so the system knows what to convert. Pair or confirm connection to AirPods in Control Center and wear them. Once done, make sure microphone permissions are granted in settings so your speech is captured clearly. These initial steps establish a direct audio path and language context, which is essential for accurate live translate performance. You now engage Live Translate. Tap Live Conversation in the Translate app or ask Siri to translate to the target language, because the app needs explicit mode selection for bidirectional flow. Then, pick your AirPods as the audio device so incoming and outgoing speech routes through them. This ensures both speakers hear translations. Adjust mic sensitivity and enable auto language detection if you expect multiple languages. Doing so improves recognition accuracy. Keep both devices unlocked and on the same Wi-Fi for lower latency and fewer interruptions. You finish by tapping Done or saying Stop Translation to close the session and then disconnect your AirPods. This frees resources and stops background audio routing. If you experience lag or poor quality, move near your iPhone, turn off VPNs, or switch networks because latency often stems from routing or congested Wi-Fi. For persistent recognition errors, retrain dictation, reset network settings, or update AirPods firmware. These actions address mic calibration and software bugs, restoring reliable live translate performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.